When Lenovo acquired Motorola in 2014, it shook the Moto G lineup a little. Gone was the single phone, instead multiple models were launched, and of these the G Plus model was the most important addition. The Moto G7 is now on the horizon, promising more goodness at the point where budget meets the mid-range and expectations are running high. So here is everything you need to know about the Moto G7 and G7 Plus. Excited? So let's get started. Now before we get started, how about you hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos about latest smartphones. Lenovo will return in 2019 with 4 new Motorola Moto G smartphones, according to rumors, adding a further model on a top of 3 announced in 2018. Currently known as Moto G7, eager Moto fans should look out for G7, G7 Play, G7 Plus and G7 Power. The rumors comes from the reliable mobile leaker Evan Blass, who tweeted the comment. A Weibo user has leaked photos that shown an unreleased Moto G series. The pictured phone has a water drop style notch, thin bezel and a small chin. The rear of the phone is finished in a glossy red color and you can clearly see a dual camera setup. Additionally, there is a fingerprint sensor in the middle of the phone under the dual camera setup. According to spec details that have leaked, MySmartPrice is also expecting the headset to come with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. There will be 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera in the back and a 12 megapixel front-facing camera along with a 3500 mAh battery. 9to5 Google round things out with a bit more detail, adding that other rumored specifications include an octa-core processor, but no word on whether the storage will be an expandable via microSD card. Charging should be quick with the addition of a USB Type-C charging port. The 3.5mm headphone jack also remains intact at the bottom of the device. The Moto G7 will likely ship with Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box for smooth daily performance. Motorola of course launched its Moto G series smartphone line back in 2013, and the combination of hardware running almost stock Android turned out the Moto G into a bestseller. Follow-ups haven't been met with as strong of a response. However, it's against the backdrop that we will soon see the Moto G7 and G7 Plus enter the fray. We expect the Moto G7 lineup will, as in previous years, be launched by Lenovo along with the rest of G lineup in the latter half of April 2019 at the latest. There is no word on what it will cost, but the Moto G6 Plus launched for about $380, so the Moto G7 Plus will probably cost a similar amount if not slightly more. Recently, MySmartPrice has also released some leaked images that show off a water drop style notch at the top of the phone, one obvious point of difference between G7 and previous G6. Since the Moto G7 will be a budget smartphone, it still has a significant chin at the bottom with the Motorola branding on it. At the rear, the Moto G7 appears to feature a 3D curved glass back similar to the one on the Moto X4. We also see 2 camera sensor and a dual LED flash housed inside the circular module at the rear. The right side of the headset meanwhile sport power and volume control keys, and when you include the camera bump, the headset will apparently have a thickness of 9.5mm. The site also says it confirmed the display will measure about 6 inches diagonally. So guys, what do you think about these leaked information about the Moto G7? Do you think it's worth waiting? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.